Love their products. I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. My routine is a little bit on the extreme in terms of number of products that I like to use. I'm currently using a Korean skincare regimen, and let me tell you, I love their products. I want to introduce you to some of the products that I use. I'm going to start off by removing my makeup. This is like a good amount of layers of makeup that I have. It's kind of sad to like have to remove it. You know when you're looking fly, you're looking good, and then you have to come and remove the makeup? It can be heartbreaking. So it's a little heartbreaking for me to have to remove my makeup. What I like to do is start off by double cleansing for my makeup. Currently I'm using this product. It's called Then I Met You. It is a cleansing balm, so it helps to remove the amount of heavy lifting makeup. Some of the ingredients are vitamin E, grapeseed oil, sea berry oil, no idea what that is, and persimmon, which I think is a fruit. It smells delightful. It takes me down to the tropical islands. Like, I love this balm. So I'm going to go ahead and take a spoolie and just scoop out some of that, and we're going to have to say goodbye to the maquillage. I am just going to then take it, put it between my fingers and say, okay, let me give it the last selfie. Bam, bam, bam. Oh yeah, okay. I rub it all over my face. I totally forgot to take my lashes off. Off she goes. I can go on my eyelid. Makeup off, mask off. It is crazy how quickly this product removes makeup. It literally melts into my skin. It really helps to keep my skin hydrated at the same time. Look at it. Can you see how the makeup literally just took everything out? Everything off of there. It is crazy. Dirty nails. Let's go and wash my makeup off now. Okay, like my skin, oh, can you see like how clean this looks? Now, kid you not, there's still a lot of makeup on my skin. Now I'm gonna go in with this cleansing stick. This is a green tea cleansing stick, and this stick actually has like the green tea leaves inside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it over my face. This stuff really foams up, like it foams up so much. I believe green tea also has something to do with like brightening the skin and soothing the skin. So I really like to work a lot with green tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Look at how she looks. She looks cute. She even looks cute without makeup. That's right, I look cute without makeup. Okay, wow. My skin, honestly, not that I'm trying to boast, but I love how fresh it looks. Like, it looks so fresh and so bright, and I feel it has to do with the green tea and the other products that I used. So I'm going in with a wet towel to just exfoliate my skin to remove any extra makeup that was left over, and I'm going to then go in with a gentle exfoliator. The exfoliator I'm going to use today, this is Dr. G Brightening Peeling Gel. It's a gentle exfoliator with vitamin brightening effect, and it has vitamin C, vitamin E, and other stuff, so it helps to take off dead skin, apparently. Well, I've used this a few times and I do like it. Don't know if I'm really seeing any results. I don't know. It comes out as a gel form, and it has a light tingling effect. So I need to really just keep going. Then literally turns into like skin. It starts peeling. Don't really know how to explain it. So just stick around and watch. Okay, looks like it's slowly starting to come. I know around my nose here is where it builds up. So if I keep my hand and I just rub it, it's going to build up a lot faster, if you can see that there. Now, as you can see, it's them turning into a growth-like texture, and my skin is starting to tingle a little lightly. So this is what it looks like after all of that. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Okay, now that that's over, I'm going to dry my face. Just lightly tap on my face. Does it ever feel so fresh? It does. Now, with all of that action that I was doing with that exfoliator, I feel like there was a bit of moisture that came out of my skin. So I'm going to go in with this beauty water. Really love this beauty water by Sunset Park. I am obsessed. When I find something that I'm obsessed with, I continue buying their shit. It's an amazing product by Sunset Park. You can use it to remove your makeup and tone your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and tone my skin because I've already done the makeup remover and the exfoliator and all of that, but I need to add some hydration on my face. So I'm taking a cotton pad and I'm literally just, oh my gosh, that feels so good. Like, I feel like I took away some moisture and I need to put back some moisture. Let's do a test and see what residue is left. So there, not bad, huh? I got pretty much 99% of my makeup off my face, which is amazing. After that toner situation, I'm going to then take back some of my beauty water toner and I'm going to add a serum. Now I'm using a powder, which is a vitamin C powder. This has about 17% pure vitamin lemon powder, which is really good. I like this product specifically because I used liquid vitamin C serums. Now they are great. One of my favorite liquid vitamin C serums that I love from Soko Glam. It is the Triple C Lightening Liquid. This shit is so friggin' good, let me tell you. The only thing I don't like about it is that I need to like have it kept in the fridge because it's actual natural vitamin C and it tends to darken and turn yellow if it's kept in a temperature that's too warm. It needs to be kept in somewhere nice and cool, and the fridge really helps to prolong the product. But for me, having to go downstairs and come back upstairs was a little bit too much of a hassle for me, and I had to try something a bit different. So this powder, it comes with a little cute scoop, which is amazing. And I've been testing out what to mix it with because you can either mix it with like your toner, your essence. I use the Beauty Park water with it and I like it. So I'm going to put a bit of that and just mix it in. Oh, you can see. Yeah, I think you can see. Okay, and then, oh, I'm wasting product. I need to get this on my face. Can't waste product. It was like dripping. Okay. I just dab it in like that. Use the back of my hand because listen, I don't want to be wasting product here. Okay, so that's that. Only thing with vitamin C I want to warn you is that you do need to use a sunscreen, especially if you're going out in the sun, because vitamin C and the sun, not really so much friends together. So definitely wear a sunscreen for that. Now I'm going to take this spray here. It is a serum spray, so it's going to add some hydration back into my skin. So I'm at the point where after all that cleansing, I really like to add on hydration. So I'm going to mix this, a few spritz. Oh, ooh. And that feels refreshing already. I am going in with this triple Hyaluronic moisture ampoule, and this stuff I love just to add on that extra hydration, especially during the winter time where things just get a lot drier quickly, right? And my face is one of them that I don't want to get dry that quickly. Now, before I was using Korean products, like in the winter time, my skin would peel, especially around my brows. And since I have adopted this habit, I have seen a huge amount of improvements. I don't even get flaky on my face anymore. I'm just pretty much patting in that pulley, I believe, into my skin. I am going to take some eye cream. This eye cream helps to achieve smooth and youthful eyes around the eye area. So I'm going to take just about a rice pea and tap that under my eyes. Give it a nice amount of hydration, and oh, that feels so good. Go in like that and just gently tap or lightly apply that on my eyelid. So my next step is my essence. So this is probably, if you guys are keeping track, I am not keeping track. It's definitely more than 5 products that I've put on my skin so far. My skin doesn't feel heavy or anything. It feels great. It feels super lightweight. I'm going in with this Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So it's actually made out of snail stuff from their bodies it came out from. And the essence helps the skin to lose less moisture while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. And it also helps with fine lines. It helps with brightening the skin. This really helps, and it helps with taking off like spots and stuff. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that. Now it's very like slimy. The texture of it is slimy, so if you don't like slimy stuff, don't put this on your face. But I don't mind the slimy stuff on my face. Tap it into my skin now for a little bit of moisture. Okay, so we're pretty much almost finished. I have one more left for my skin, and that is going to be my moisturizer. This one is called Return by SkinRx Lab. I actually really like this stuff. Now there are some pretty good ingredients in this cream that I'm going to list off. Now forgive me for butchering these words because I'm not a scientist. Chemistry and biology wasn't my favorite class, so these words that I'm going to read is going to not sound like it's science, but they're science words. Ingredients that it has ceramide. That's a new ingredient that I've been seeing online. It has made cresocide. You know what? I'm gonna put you somewhere around there. Made cresocide, niacinamide. Don't know how to say that. And adenoids, yeah, that's the word right there. So I love this product. I like how it actually nourishes your skin, reduces appearance. This is also a good cream for people who has redness and inflammation and all of that. I don't have that issue, but that was one of the benefits that this cream offers. I love the tube. It is so friggin' cute. Like, it's definitely not your conventional cream product where you would find in a jug, or like, what else would you find a cream product in? A jug or a pump? A tube. I think that's pretty cute. So I do the 4 dots and I just connect it because I feel like I have enough product on my face and I don't need too much because it feels super duper hydrated. So this is pretty much my skincare routine. If I was going out, let's say it was daytime, I would put on my sunscreen. It's a waterproof sun milk. My face feels super clean. It feels super hydrated. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. It feels literally very, very comfortable. Now, if it is that I was going to do a face mask, there are 2 face masks that I like to use, which I will introduce to you. The first face mask is the Mamodi Pore Clean Clay Mask. And this really helps to like tighten my pores. I try to use that mask about once a week. And then the next mask that I have, it is a black soybean milk pudding sleeping pack. So I would wear this to go to bed with. Now it smells great, so delightful. My skin, when I wake up in the morning, it feels so soft, so smooth, so fresh, like really like it. But the only problem that I'm not a big fan of is when I'm sleeping with a sleeping pack mask. It's so uncomfortable against my pillows. Like I feel like it's just sticky at times, but it does a good job. Like the next day, my skin is literally glowing times 3, like what it looks like, but times 3 it's glowing. So this stuff is really, really cool. It's actually in a gel form, so very, very jelly, like a jello. So that's it. That's my skincare routine. Let me know what you guys think. Actually, I don't know. But listen, let's just be real here, okay? How about you hit the subscribe button? Come back for more, because on this channel, I'm going to be giving you a bit of everything. So stay beautiful, stay you, love yourself. Until then, I shall see you on my next video. But in the meantime, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I can see you from here. If you think I cannot see you, I can see you. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay.